National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a test tornado warning for all counties in northeast South Carolina. This is a test message. Until 9:15 a.m. Nursing homes and businesses that are participating. A test tornado warning has been issued as part of the South Carolina statewide tornado drill. Schools, nursing homes, and businesses.
Things about the
9 a.m. This is a test message. A test tornado warning has been issued as part of the South Carolina statewide tornado drill. South Carolina statewide tornado drill. Schools, nursing homes, and businesses that are participating in the drill should implement their tornado drill procedures now. A drill cancellation message will not be issued. This is a test message.
Warning sign.
Procedures now. A drill cancellation message will not be issued. This is a test message. Locations in the drill include all communities in northeast South Carolina. This is a test message.
So we're having. And anyway.